the pipe flashing there, and it looks in okay shape. It's got a bunch of staples fastened all around it, multiple leak points. I did see a leak in the attic caused by these fasteners. You can see water just gets right under there. Again, more leak points. These are not watertight, and so these all can potentially be a leak. Now we got old pipe flashings from a solar panel, water heater system or something like that. No longer used for these guys. There's this one and that guy. So we could eliminate those potential areas for leaks. Seeing how the flashings are all rusty, caulking starting to fail, and these are non-watertight fasteners. Same over here, these guys. And then there's multiple areas where the shingles have lost their bond. So for instance, this guy's sealed down tight. That guy's still bonded. This guy looks like it might be loose. Yeah. That guy's tight. This guy's loose, half sealed. So you can see in a windstorm, it catch and lift 1, 2, 3, 4 shingles right here and just rip them off. The chimney, the crown's got some cracks. The flue has some cracks in here. A lot of moss in the mortar joints, you can see. And then the mortar is actually just falling out. I can pick it out with my finger. You shouldn't see that on your chimney. Here's another spot. That moss just roots in and knocks this mortar out. You can see right here too, a big hole. Counter flashing's bad. It's all loose. It's got more moss than mortar in that joint. The flashing detail is done. In a way I wouldn't do it. I'd probably want to run this shingle all the way under here and put this on top of this guy instead of cutting around it. It's less likely for water to channel underneath this shingle. Counter flashing's old. You can see I wiggle it and the mortar moves. Plus, it's not really up high enough, so heavy rain splash back and cause a leak through there. Probably had some issues before. You can see all this sealant there. You'd want to see this flashing, the roof to wall flashing that's underneath the shingle. You want to see that on top so you can cover these. But again, missing some mortar in that joint and a lot more up top. Now the way we do crowns really helps in preventing this from reoccurring with the way we've designed our crown systems. A lot of issues. He's already had wind-blown shingles in the past. Somebody had come and repaired these guys, but there's also other areas that were compromised in probably the same storm that didn't get noticed or corrected. So yeah, all right, thank you.